Alrighty guys, so we're getting right into this video. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I'll leave a link above, but basically I bought a 1994 Suzuki RF900 and found out the engine was blown, replaced the engine, and got the engine all installed and everything, and I started losing hope on this thing, didn't think it was going to start, but I actually has been messing around with it, and now it's ready to start. So let's capture it. At first it would, let me make sure. There we go. So at first it would it would start, die out. I was like, oh, shoot, what's going on? Figured out my throttle cables are pretty crap. As you can see, they're all kind of broken and just gross. So I got to get a new one of those. But anywho, when I found out what was happening is the throttle was open. So when I tried to start it, it wouldn't start because the throttle was open. But yeah, so I've been messing around with it. I still got to fix a couple minor things, like the shifter shaft is like stripped and stuff. So I got to figure out a way just to kind of like maneuver it right now. Because right now I got to kind of start it in gear. But I actually got it to start and this thing sounds sweet. Listen to this. Oopsie. It's already warmed up a little bit. Oh, come on. There we go. You gotta mess with the idle a little bit. It's gonna be a little loud, but listen to this thing. Woohoo! This thing sounds sweet. Gotta mess with the idle screw a little bit to get it to idle right. Around 1500 should be good. The best part is, look, usually I had smoke coming out of here. No smoke. She's good to go. Sounds freaking sweet. Glad this thing runs now. The throttle cables obviously need replacement. But man, I started. Oh my god, hold on. Oh yeah. Oh, so there she is. I'm trying to vent the place out so I can breathe and not die from exhaust fumes. But yeah, so there she is. She finally starts. I'm so happy. Just gonna. Now obviously, like I said, still needs a little TLC and whatnot. Got to get that shifter taken care of before I even try to take it on its first ride or anything. But I am just so happy that it actually like starts now. I started losing faith on this thing. I was like, oh, I don't think it's gonna start. It's kind of like an old bike. Maybe I should just get rid of it, get something newer. So I literally today, as I was working on it, I got to start and run for a little bit, and I was just kind of running like crap. I said, heck with this. I'm getting rid of this thing. It's just been nothing but a nightmare. So I put an ad on Facebook, and I was literally talking to some people about it. And how I'm just like, I'm done with it. And I came out here out of curiosity. I was like, you know, I thought it was bad gas at first. Because what would happen is it would start, but as soon as I give it throttle, it would just die. And I just had the carbs all freshly cleaned and like redone and completely redone. So I was like, there's no way it can be the carbs. And everything I found online is just, oh yeah, your main jet's clogged. That's why as soon as it you give it throttle, it dies. And I was like, man, I'm just tired of messing with this thing. So out of curiosity, I just kind of came outside. I was like, let me just start it one more time. Heck with it, you know? Let's see what happens. Sure enough, started right up. I could rev it finally, give it some gas, and maybe that's all I needed. I don't know. But, yeah, super excited. I had to, uh-oh. This hose is leaking. We'll fix that. But real quick, this thing sounds so sweet. I put the seat and stuff back on real quick. Listen to this thing. When it starts out, it says it's in neutral. It's not. So hopefully the trans isn't fucked. Hopefully it rolls though. I don't know. Listen. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh. Bro, listen to this. Alright, that's all I wanted you guys to hear. Well, that's going to conclude that video. I know it's not a very long one, but we finally got the bike running. I guess I'm going to take my Facebook ad off now. So yeah, with just a few more things we got to do. Got to get some throttle cables so the throttle doesn't stick and all that fun stuff. Got to adjust the shifter. Hopefully we can get that fixed without having... The way to properly fix it is like take the whole engine out, split the case, and replace that shaft. I just put the engine in there. I don't want to do all that. So we'll see what happens. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the first test ride, which will probably be the next video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.